Good morning, my dear students. In previous class, I have already discussed triangle, straight line, linear pair, complementary angle, everything I have discussed. Okay. Now discuss the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. All of you know the sum of the angle of a triangle is 180 degree. But how to prove? Okay, my question is that how to prove the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, look at the book. Prove that, I have a question, prove that, PT, prove that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, prove that sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. We have to prove. First, draw the figure. Let's write A. This is a vertex A, B, C. Okay. In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. You have to prove. So write down. Let ABC be a triangle. Okay. ABC. Write ABC be a triangle. Okay. Now, equal sign also no problem is there. Okay, triangle. To prove that angle A, that is right. Angle A means right. AB. We can write. Look at here. So yes, right. A B angle C is 180 degree. Okay. Angle A, angle B plus angle C equal 180 degree. That means you can write here BAC, right? BAC plus angle B of right ABC plus ACB equal to 180 degree. Okay? Look at here. First write let ABC be a triangle. You give also sign, no problem either. Okay? ABC is a triangle. You can give sign. Triangle. To prove that angle A, that means BAC, angle B, that is ABC, angle C, that is ACB, is 180 degree. Okay. Now one construction is there. We have to construct. Okay. See, draw A through A, right? Look at here A. Do one perpendicular. I have to draw P. Just look at here and leave this one. Okay. See, suppose P Q. Just note it down. Draw P Q parallel to BC. Okay. We have to draw P Q parallel BC. Understood? PQ parallel BC. Okay, so all of you know when two lines are said to be parallel. Okay, yes, that is yes, good. Alternate angle are equal, corresponding angles also equal, and sum of the co-interior angle is 180 degree. Then two lines are said to be parallel. See, just I am explaining one thing. See here. All of written this part? Okay. See, then one thing explaining. See, suppose these two line parallel line is there. One line intersect. This is transversal. Okay. See, this angle always equal to this angle. So these are alternate angle. Okay. Alternate angle equal. Then these two lines are parallel. If alternate angle is equal, then it will be parallel. Another thing, again look at here, this angle equal to this one vertically opposite angle, this vertically opposite angle. So we can write here, this angle equal to this angle. Understood? Say, this angle equal to this angle, this is vertically opposite. So two lines intersect at the point this one. So this is vertical opposite angle and these two angles is alternate angle. So we can say this angle equal to this angle. These two are equal angle, no? Yes. So this is corresponding angle. Okay. Again, sum of the angle, co-interior angle. See, look at here, co-interior angle I'm telling, co-interior. See, look at here. Suppose these two are parallel. Okay, given. So this is transversal. Okay. So if these two angles are equal, sorry, 180 degree. These two angles is 180 degree. Then these two are parallel. Okay. Suppose first you consider, suppose this is two line. This is two line. If alternate angle is equal, then two lines are parallel. If corresponding angles also equal, then lines are parallel. If sum of the co-interior angle is 180 degree. Okay, this is the condition. Now look at here. See, so this you have to draw. This is parallel. Now this angle, look at here, equal to this angle. See, these two parallel, this is transversal. So we can write this angle, give tick marks. See, tick marks, equal. So you have to write QAC equal to ACB. So you have to write alternate angle. Okay. So right here PQ parallel BC and AC transversal. AC, right, transversal. Okay. So therefore these two angles are equal, alternate angle, equal. Again, similar way, see, this angle, you star marks, look at here, always equal to this angle. Because these two are parallel, then alternate angle is equal. So we can write PAB, similarly you have to write PAB equal to, right, ABC, okay. Similar also you have to write PAQ, this is PQ parallel BC and this is the transversal AB. So angle, this angle equal to this angle. Okay. Right, first PAB angle equal to ABC. Okay. So similarly, right, this is alternate angle. Okay. Right, alternate angle. Okay. Yes, right, alternate angle. Okay, so right, this alternate angle. Again, I am telling PAB equal to ABC. These are alternate angle. Okay. Now, complete. Right, first PQAC equal to ACB and PAB equal to ABC. Now, look at here, my dear students, look at here. See, this is the straight line now. So, straight angle all of it 180 degree. So, you consider this angle. See, look at here. This straight angle. So, it will be 180 degree. Yes. Look, we can write, see. So, PAQ is a straight line. Right? PAQ is a straight line. Okay, So write PAB, right? PAB plus BAC plus CAQ equal to 180 degree. PAB plus BAC plus CAQ equal to 180 degree. Now, just everybody look at your copy. See, PAB. We know, yes, ABC. So write this value. You put ABC plus BAC, no change, plus CAQ. We're getting ACB, right? ACB, okay, equal to 180 degree. So in a triangle, it is proved that in a triangle, sum of the angles, that is angle A, angle B and angle C, 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree. Okay, no problem. Yes. Suppose ratio is given. So angle A, angle B, angle C. One example I am giving. One application. Okay, look at here. Written, all of you understood? Yes. See. Suppose in a triangle, the ratio of the angle, suppose 1:2:3 is given. Find the angles. All of write down. In a triangle, the ratio of an angles are 1:2:3. Find the angles. Write question number. Okay. Again write. In a triangle, the ratio of the angles are 1:2:3. Find the angles. First let the angles be x twice x thrice x. X non-zero constant, keep in mind. Okay. So we know sum of the angle 180 degree. Okay. So you can write, no problem. Suppose x, right? Degree, right? No problem is there. Okay. So write. So x plus twice x plus thrice x. We know 180 degree. No, you can't remove degree. Okay, here you can write, no problem is there. X plus 2x plus 3x equal to 180. So write that is 6x 180. So x equal to 180 by 6. That is 30. Now look at, put there. X degree is given. So write 30 degree. 2x 60 degree, you put here in the value of x, degree is given, and 90 degree. Okay, so the angles are 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, next, in first I have discussed if any sides of a triangle are extended, then sum of the interangle is equal to sum of two opposite interangle. Okay, external angle is equal to sum of two opposite interangle. Okay, in a triangle, if we extend any one side, then exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angle. Okay, say suppose PQR, look at here, PQR is a triangle. We extend here. Suppose this is M, this is M. Okay, now so this is external angle. We have to prove opposite internal angle. So to prove, right, to prove PRM external angle equal to sum of two opposite internal angle, these two angles. Okay, their sum. So write RPQ plus RPQ plus PQR. We have to prove, right? In triangle PQR, QR extend up to M, then exterior angle PRM equal to sum of two opposite interior angle, that is PQR and RPQ. Okay? Don't take this angle, this is adjacent angle. Okay? Yes. Now, written. Say. Look at here first. All of just now discussing, my dear students, just now discussing in triangle, sum of the angle 180 degree. Just now, look at here. So write first angle P, that is, we write PQR plus PQR plus PRQ plus QPR equal to 180 degree. Okay? That is some properties of a triangle. Some properties of a triangle. You have right? That's right. Some properties of a triangle. Again, say, look at here. If you consider, see, QM, this is the straight line. PR stands on it, no? So this is the linear pair. Sum of the two angles is 180 degree. So this is straight line. Two angles are there. This is 180 degree. So write again PRM plus PRQ equal to 180 degree, right? Okay? All right? PRM plus PRQ 180 degree. Okay? 180 degree. Now we can write, so these two angle equal to this triangle. These two angle equal to this triangle. So write first. Then you will get both are equal. Both are 180 degree. See. So PRQ, look at here. Sorry, PRS. PRQ. These are same, no? So write first. I am writing here. So write. Both are equal. Okay? See, I am writing. So therefore we can write PQR plus QRP, okay, plus QPR equal to PRM plus PRQ. Okay? Look at here. PRQ, both are same. See, look at here. This angle both are same. So we cancel both the sides. So write here PQR plus QPR equal to PRM. See the proof. Proof is given. Okay? This is PRM, exterior angle. See, look at here, sum of two opposite interior angle. Keep in mind, okay? So, in a triangle, if any one side extends, then exterior angle equal to sum of two opposite interior angle. Now, write down homework. One homework I am giving. If all sides are extended of a triangle, then three exterior angles formed. Okay? Then what is the sum of the angle? Three exterior angle. Okay? This is the homework. Write down. In a triangle, all sides are extended. Okay? Prove that sum of the interior angle, exterior angle is 360 degree. Okay? Very easy. You will do at home. Homework, right? Right? In a triangle, all sides are extended. Then sum of the exterior angle is 360 degree. Okay? Okay. Now I'll give study material, okay? I'll do homework. Remain particularly at home, okay? Okay, no problem. Bye.